Welcome to this week's Legal Insight Weekly with Ngada Attorneys, your trusted source for clear, concise discussions on South Africa's evolving legal landscape. Today, we're unpacking the fascinating role of the Amicus Curiae, Latin for friend of the court. It's a feature of our constitutional litigation that gives non-parties a voice in some of the country's most transformative judgments. Traditionally, the amicus was a neutral figure, someone invited by the court to assist with a complex point of law or fact. But under South Africa's democratic constitution, this role has evolved into something far more dynamic and participatory. We now see what's been called a fourth form of amicus, one where public interest organizations, NGOs, or academic bodies actively apply to intervene, not just to assist, but to advance a particular legal position. Why? Because constitutional cases don't just affect the litigants, they shape the lives of ordinary South Africans. Amicus Curiae contribute in powerful ways. They introduce fresh legal arguments, highlight policy implications, and provide the court with critical data and research that the main parties might overlook. Take Bannatyne versus Bannatyne, for instance. The Commission for Gender Equality stepped in as amicus and provided empirical evidence about how maintenance failures impact women and children. The Constitutional Court found that insight most useful, showing how amici bring real-world context into the courtroom. They also give a voice to the unrepresented, to the marginalized, the vulnerable, and those whose interests might otherwise go unheard. In that sense, amici help uphold participatory democracy, ensuring the law reflects society's full diversity. We've seen their impact in landmark cases too, from the National Coalition for Gay and Lesbian Equality judgment affirming LGBTQI+ rights, to the Treatment Action Campaign's intervention on access to HIV treatment, and the Women's Legal Center's role in advancing gender equality within customary law. Each of these moments highlights how Amicus Curiae help shape a constitutional jurisprudence that is not only legally sound, but socially responsive. At its heart, the amicus procedure embodies the spirit of our transformative constitution, one that listens, includes, and evolves through the voices of many. Thank you for tuning in to Legal Insight Weekly with Ngada Attorneys. Join us next time as we unpack another key development in South Africa's legal landscape.